Hello my dear friends, welcome to SDTechWalk. This video is about Python Dictionary. Before that, if you are in SDTechWalk for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon too so that you will never miss future updates from SDTechWalk. Let's move on to the video now. What is Python Dictionary? Python Dictionary is an unordered collection of items. An item has a key and a corresponding value that is expressed as key value pairs. Keys must be immutable and unique, but values can be of any data type and can repeat. Python dictionary is mutable and it is not indexed by numbers but by keys. Okay, now let's move on to the Python editor and I'll show you how to create a dictionary. Dictionaries can be created using two ways. One is using curly brackets and another one is using dict method. So let me create now a dictionary D which is equal to just with a curly brace. This is an empty dictionary. So let me print D and the type of D. Yes, we have created an empty dictionary and it's of class dictionary. Okay, now let me create a dictionary with some values. So the same dictionary will create, and remember we need to create using key value pairs. So I need to assign some subjects for these keys. So first one data structures I'll give, and for 2 I can specify operating systems, and one more also will specify, 3 will specify software engineering. So this is how we need to create a dictionary. So now let me run and see. Yes, you can see here it is created. The dictionary is created and it's of class dictionary. So this is how we need to create the dictionary. Now next thing is, how do I access the data? How do I access the values from the dictionary? So accessing the values. I need to access the values from the dictionary. How do I access the values? Again we have two methods. One is using square brackets we can able to access. Another one is using get method. So I'll show you how to access using the square brackets. So I want to print D of, D is my dictionary, and any key which value you want to access you can specify the key values here. So now let me print and see this value. Yes, OS is of key value 2. So this is being printed. And the same thing I can able to print using get method. D dot, D is my dictionary. And I use the method called get, and we need to pass what is the key value. So I need to pass the key value to the same value only will take, so that we'll be knowing whether we have got the same value. Yes, it is OS. So this is how we can able to access. Now let me show you how to add or update the elements. Add or we can update the elements. So how do I do this? Dictionaries are mutable, so we can add or change the value of existing items. So now let me add a new value D. Just specify the key what you want to add, 4. And what's the value you want to assign for this? For example, I want to assign DBMS for this. That's all we have added now. Now I want to update what is already existing. For example, 1 I want to update the value. 1 is already existing. So just I will assign CO for that. That is computer organization subject. Now let me print my dictionary so that I can check whether item 4 is added and 1 is updated. Yes, you can see here 1 is updated with CO and 4 is updated with DBMS. So this is how we can able to add and update. And we have another method called update method. What can I do with this update method? This update method updates the dictionary with the elements from another dictionary object or from an iterable pair of key values. So now let me take another dictionary D1 which is equal to, this is another dictionary. I take a value 10 and we can assign some other values values for this OR, that is operation research I want to specify. and I have 11 one more value. We can specify here the other subject we can specify here. For example, I can specify flat. That is formal languages, we can specify another value. Sorry, within double quotes we need to specify. So this is my new dictionary. How do I use this to update my existing dictionary? Existing dictionary, what we have is d dot update method I will use, and just tell with d1 you want to update it. And now let me print and see my d whether it has been updated or what. Yes, it has been updated. Not able to see for the first time. Here we can see that 10 OR and 11 is flat. It has been updated successfully. Okay. Now the next thing is I need the in and not in operator. What is the use of that? In and we have not in operator. Just we'll check any value is present in or not. Value means it's a key. Only for key in the dictionary we can check whether it is present or not. It is not for values, because values can be repeated but key is unique. So only for keys we can check. So 10 I have key. Just we'll tell print 10 in the dictionary. That's all. We can ask this. If it is present, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Yeah, true. And one more also we can check print 20 in the dictionary. 20 is present in the dictionary. No, we don't have 20 in that. So I will get false. Yeah, we have got. Now we go for not in operator. Not in 20 also not in. So 10 is not in D. No, it is present in D. So it will give you false. It is present. 20 is not in. Yes, 20 is not in. So we are getting true. So this is how the in and not in operator will work. Now let me show you how to remove elements from the dictionary. So we have some methods for that. We will follow that methods. We have a method called pop item. So I can tell d dot pop item. So pop item, what it will do, arbitrarily it will delete any one item. So now let me print which item is being deleted. Let me check. Print of D. Yes, you can see here 11 flat is being deleted. And we can specify to pop a particular item too by specifying the key value d dot pop of. I can specify 1. 1 is of CO. So now just check print of D whether it is being deleted or what. Yes, it is deleted. So this is how we can pop the values. And I have another method called clear method. With the name itself, we'll know what is the meaning of that. D dot clear. And now let me check what is present in D. It is cleared. So there is no values. I mean no items. So you can see here it is an empty set. But my set, sorry, not set dictionary. Empty dictionary is available. So here we can delete the dictionary itself using del keyword. So now it has been deleted. And now let me print my D so that I will get some error. Yes, I have got error. That is a name error. Okay. So now the next thing what we are going to see is I have a method called Fromkeys method. We have a method called Fromkeys method. So only keys we can specify. From that keys we can able to create a new dictionary with the provided value. You can specify a value so that that value will be assigned for everything. For example, I want to create some USN values I have. USN keys is equal to, we specify some number it is. USN 1. This is only keys what we are creating now. USN 2. And I can have USN 3. So this is only the keys. So from this keys I want to create. Now USN values I want to give all these values will give USN values is equal to, I want to specify all in 5th semester, like that for example. So now I can create a dictionary names, or dictionary D is equal to, we can create using Fromkeys method. So which is equal to, this is present in dictionary dot, we can see here Fromkeys method. So Fromkeys method we can tell from keys, just specify the keys USN keys will have set of keys, and we have another one iterable USN values. Hope we can able to create successfully. Print of D. Yes, we can able to see here USN 3, it is unordered. So however it is, the order will be changed. So USN 3 5th semester and 5th semester. If I don't give any values, for example, if we don't specify any values here, it will be created with none. It will be created with none. Later we can update the values if we want. So it is created with none here. And this is how my Fromkeys method will work. Now I'll show you how to nesting of dictionaries. We'll see. Inside one dictionary, I'll nest another dictionary. D is equal to, again I will go for some subjects I wanted to specify. Data structures 1, and the second subject I'll specify OS, and for example the third subject what I have is an elective, so that more than one values will be present for this. So I create another dictionary for that. We have 101, maybe it's a programming language, so I have to specify now C is the first language, and 102 C#, comma 103, the third option for the elective, Python. Enough, 3 options we have given. So this is how my nested dictionary I am trying to create. Now let me print D. Yeah, you can see here 1 is data structures, 2 is OS, and 3 is again a dictionary. So here you can see 3 is again a dictionary. So how can I access, for example, is it possible to access only that? Yes, it is possible. So print D of 3. D of 3 we want to print. So what is present there? D of 3. It is 101C. The dictionary itself is being displayed. So any particular value you want to display, that also is possible. I want to check for 103 what it is. So I am expecting Python. Yes, Python. So this is how you can able to access the keys and the values. So we can tell print of D dot keys. Only the keys I want to display. Yes. What are the keys? 1, 2, 3 is the keys. So this is how we can specify, find our keys. Now I tell I want to get the values. We can tell that we want only the values from that. So what are the values? The values will be printed here. You can see here dict values here, DS, OS, and then for 3 these are the values. 101 C or the dictionary, whole dictionary is the value for the key 3. So we are getting that value. So this is how we can able to access the keys and values. You want to specify the items. What are the items present in this dictionary? D dot items. We can specify that too. So what are the items present in this dictionary D? Yes, here we can see that what are the items. The items. Here you can see that it is embedded in a square bracket. That means a dictionary is stored as a list. So that is what is the square bracket. So 1 DS, 2 OS, and for 3 again it is given a dictionary inside. So these are the items what is present inside the dictionary. So this is how we can able to nest and find what are the keys were present, values present, and what are the items. And here also you can insert and remove and update the values, and you can press you can check for in and not in operator. All those things also can be done here also. Okay, this is the end of my Python dictionary. I hope I have covered almost all the basics of dictionary. So hope you have enjoyed and you have understood something about Python dictionary. And if you have liked the video, please give me a like and share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.